Thank you, thank you, thank you. Not bad, huh? Y'all use my photo, huh? Use my photo, huh? Don't play, huh? Before, after. Thank you so much, really nice. Huh? Why y'all Indian, huh? Support Indian, huh? Not bad, huh? Confirm Singapore not racist, only for your company, huh? No Indian in this company, huh? Oh God, I just saw. The Indian man looking at me, told the wife, shut up, I'm staring. Anyway, let's have a good time. For all those who don't know me, too bad. I'm approved by the government, don't worry. The only reason is because I'm Indian, president also Indian. It's actually, it's called, Okay, now I have one question. Why do y'all only see my silhouette? Not enough light now, y'all. Oi, who's the lighting man? Ninyama, oi. Okay, anyway, don't worry. I'm the only woman in this whole bloody ballroom. I'm more than a woman and more than a man can be, that's all. I was walking just now, one child down there asking the daddy, Daddy, don't boy or girl? I say, boy, don't worry, I got both, mommy, daddy. You can take also. Chocolate strawberry. Okay, pocky like that. Really good crowd, huh? I was just performing earlier for AIA Insurance. My God, I feel I was doing a cultural show. They're all very pro-government, that's the problem. Please lock the door, I'm talking bad about the government. Only I can talk about politics, y'all cannot remember that, huh? Because I'm Indian one, taking over J. Ratnam. For all those, some of you might not understand what I'm saying because some of you might be very stupid. So, don't worry, the subtitles will come out just in time. And I'm Indian, so we talk very fast. Two Indians talking, you think they're rapping, actually we are talking, huh? Because, thank you. Because Indian talk all got no comma all, huh? Even the full stop is on our forehead. Wait, I must tekan my own race first. Then slowly move to the Malay. And then the grand finale is for the Chinese. Ang Mohs, I don't tekan anymore, lah, poor thing. They're already a joke, ma. Okay, I know there's some nice looking Ang Mohs there. Actually, I've realized why I don't make fun of Ang Mohs because I realized that I've got Ang Moh blood. That's why you see I'm fair. See all the Indian dark one. You see I'm fair. My great-grandparents were German shepherds. So, actually, my name is Kumar, not Kumar. Remember that, huh? So don't worry. For all those who are still waiting for the punchline, it's over. I can see some girl like did the third joke, still thinking about the first one. You know, some people like that, I will bodo. And now that one big cock up in Singapore now, Chinese, all the Chinese, happy Chinese New Year. Kong Zi Fa Zai Ho. You want Oling? Later I give you 2. Only my Oling a bit barbecued, that's all, huh? The major cock up is Chinatown. They have a decoration, celebration for the rooster shed. And they have a huge rooster below all eggs. Rooster lay egg, man. Can you imagine all the tourists will be looking at the rooster and said, I think only in Singapore the rooster lay eggs. It must be gay. It is amazing, you know, because I mean, Singapore actually, if you really think, it's a bit of a gay city because even the Malayan is half-half. So, very soon they're going to remove the Malayan and put me there, don't worry, huh? The only difference is Malayan, here lion, down there mermaid. I hear mermaid, down there lion, that's all, you know? What to do because being Indian now, we're all gifted. The other major cock-up in Singapore is the media work and the media corp. You know, all the artists went there and then suddenly they all merged. And everybody like, okay, I left MediaCorp and I'm back in MediaCorp now. And then I was asked to go. And they want you, they don't want I. Whatever, right? Whatever, eh? But cannot get angry in Singapore because Singapore is a beautiful place to live in. It's become a Chinese country. That's the only difference here, huh? Because now the whole family owns Singapore. I shall not mention name. I give you a clue. The name got 2 alphabet, 1 repeat. That one. If you really think, As you can see, the whole family owns Singapore. Let me give you a clue. The family owns Singapore Technologies. The wife owns transportation. The eldest son is the CEO of Singtel. What else they need? They have the whole Singapore in their hands. Imagine you riot, how? They cut communication, they cut transportation. Where you want to run? Swim to Sentosa, that one also belong to them. So, the Malays are very angry because they want to take over but they can't because half of them are still in rehab. So the minute they come out, they are very good. Indians, we no problem. We got motto in life, drink, drunk, drama. We are very happy with that. No, really. Come to think of it, really. But Singapore is a very united country, lah. Only doing National Day parade. Every time the fireworks go, I cry. Not because I'm patriotic, that's my income tax. Richie son. Brilliant. I love this country. Never mind, it's okay. Thank God we're not in Malaysia, right? I mean, Malaysia is even worse. Oh, God, don't even go there. Let's not. If I talk about Malaysians, I go on for 2 hours, I tell you. But we must thank Malaysians, because they give us all the VCD and all that grocery and the chewing gum and the blue flame and whatever not. And now the government is very, very nice to us, so please enjoy it while it lasts. So please do that, because I think father and son planning something big time. So, and I'm going to migrate. I just decided to sex change because every time it's really stressful, when I strip naked, I'm like, what the hell Anaconda is doing here? Can somebody please help me? And I want to do it in Singapore, but doctors say cannot because too big. So they asked me to go to Africa where they cut all the animals, so I joined them because whatever it is, I'm still Indian, you see, so there's a problem there. I wish I was born like some Chinese men who are small, easy, you just... I said some. Well, the guilty ones are going, oh. I said some. I'm very careful. Because if you're small, easy, you don't even have to cut, just use tweezer. I'm a woman now. Fantastic, isn't it? Lovely. Brilliant. Hi. Okay, let's not even go there. Move on. Tekan the Chinese one, all Chinese. Wow, tekan the Malay, Indian, you all laugh like hell, you all, Nah, Singapore United, is it? Wow, racist country, confirm. Singapore confirmed racist country. Until today, any Chinese mother want to scare the kid will tell the kid, if you don't behave, I get the Indian men to catch you. Right. So, anyway, I have to be very, very good now because next week I got reservists. So, yes, laugh. I still got to serve the country. Hello? I don't know for what. Still I got to do the country. I mean, like go jungle and I do see the enemy, I do tiger show for you, darling. The reason is because the army, Singapore army love Indians because when they throw the Indian in the jungle, Indian know how to maneuver out, because Indian and tree best friend. Because the Indian